What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the Jaybird Run XT True Wireless Sport headphones. I picked up at Target for $159. You can also pick them up at Target for $159. After tax, they'll come out to around $165, maybe $170, depending on where you live. Nonetheless, you can pick these up at really any Target across the country. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing and a first impressions, and I really want to see if I can recall if they are better than the Samsung Galaxy Buds or the Bose SoundSport free wireless earbuds. I think these fit perfectly right in between. These are IPX7 rated, so these are actually the probably best waterproof, water resistant earbuds I've reviewed on this channel that are totally wireless. Nonetheless, they fit right in between. I think if the Samsung Galaxy Buds came in an active version, this is what they look like. So I really want to check them out and see what they look like and see what they sound like. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box here. We'll just go ahead and slice open the back of the box like so. Rip into these bad boys. As you can probably tell, they left this tab on the top for me, but so right off the bat, these are offering 4 hours of battery life plus an 8-hour charge case. Like I said, they are sweat and water resistant. They are IPX7 rated, and they have what is called a sport fit. So that sport fit largely has to do with those wings that come with it. So right off the bat, as you can probably tell, this charge case is actually very similar to the Galaxy Buds case, but it's actually a little bit thicker. It's much thicker actually, and it's bigger, and it's heavier. This is actually a really heavy charge case. So probably something a little bit active oriented. I probably would opt for a smaller, lighter charge case. So that being said, you know, if you're gonna take these out with you, take them on a run or what have you, or a walk, you probably are going to want to leave the charge case at home, which is actually kind of unfortunate, or leave it in the car, which like I said is kind of unfortunate. So like if you're out for a really long run, or if you're out for like a marathon or something like that, or you're practicing for a marathon and you want to stop and charge these things up for a few minutes, like 5 minutes, and tie your shoe and get a drink of water, you can't do that because this case is actually really heavy and kind of cumbersome. Really disappointed actually that this case, that they really didn't think that through. Let's just go ahead and rip this open. You get some extra goodies in the box here. As you can see, everything is flying all over the place. What's really nice though is they come with, like I said, a bunch of extra goodies here. So you get some added ear tips for some noise isolation if you want. And of course you get some different size wing tips just in case the wing tips that they come with don't fit. And also USB to micro USB charge cable. We'll throw that off to the side. I'm gonna go ahead and keep this stuff out because actually I kind of want to see how they work and try them on a little bit. So when you open up the charge case for the first time, the headphones do light up, indicating that they are on and ready to be paired. So without further ado, we'll go over to the Bluetooth setting on my phone and connect them. So we'll go ahead and pair new device. I am using the Google Pixel 3a today. And here they are, Jaybird Run XT. As you can probably see, they just paired. Hopefully you guys are getting that on camera, but as you probably just saw that little notification at the bottom there, they are paired. They are active with 70% battery life. So right out of the box, right out of the wireless charging case, you can probably tell that they have the wings already installed, but if you don't like them, you can actually uninstall them. And I kind of want to just show you how easy it is to install and uninstall these little wings. So you basically, they just peel right off, and it's almost like a collar. You kind of just slide the earbuds into the wing tips themselves, and it's as simple as that. Without further ado, let's go ahead and see how they fit. So just like the Bose SoundSport free wireless earbuds, what you want to do is you want to insert them into your ear and then twist them backwards to get them to latch onto the top of your ear. Otherwise, they're not going to work or fit all that well. As you can see, they probably jut out of my ears a little bit. So, you know, if you're running, you know, you really aren't worrying about style. If you're someone who is more worried about style and who maybe wants to wear these around town, I would probably suggest that you do not. They might look a little bit silly. Noise isolation is excellent on these earbuds. 90%, maybe 85, 90% of that reverberation is gone. I can still hear myself talk. These are not active noise cancellation, so they are connected right now. Just know that I'm gonna be listening to stuff that's hip hop oriented, rap, you know, stuff that gets me pumped up for the gym. Okay, so I listened to these for a few minutes. Listened to a couple of hip hop songs, a couple of rap songs. My initial impressions of these are that they're not the most comfortable earbuds that I've used. The Galaxy Buds are definitely more comfortable. The Bose SoundSport free, truly wireless earbuds, for about 30 bucks more, they're more comfortable. I will have to say that these do sound really good though. They're very crystal clear, mid-ranges, vocals. The overall audio quality is very balanced. That being said, the bass is not overwhelming with these. It's actually very subdued and very accurate. You actually get a little bit of rumble from the bass in a good way, not in a cheap, plasticky, crunchy, crumbly sort of way that you would get with like a cheaper pair of earbuds. Also, what's really cool are these earbuds come with a custom app called the Jaybird. Basically, the app allows you to customize the EQ. So if you don't like that bassiness, which the bassiness is actually really good on these earbuds, you can definitely go for a more neutral, balanced, equalized setting, which I really like about these. Really, any headphone these days that you buy that doesn't come with an equalizer settings are going to be your more budget-oriented headphones. This comes with their own. These earbuds come with their own custom application, placing them in the premium category, I would think. Nonetheless, these are a great pair of earbuds. They sound phenomenal. The noise isolation is really good on them. The bass is very, very good, very premium sounding. The neutrals, midtones, highs are very premium sounding as well. No distortion at the very upper end, at the very lower end. You could still hear the music, of course, not turned all the way off, which is a good thing. Anyways, guys, my name is John. These Jaybird Run XT earbuds I picked up at Target are a big box good. You can find them really at any Target for about $170. They retail for $159, but after tax are gonna come out to about $165, $170. Nonetheless, my name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like, a thumbs up, or give it a dislike. Your feedback is appreciated either way. I will see you in the next video.